Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fix Your Smile. It is so wonderful to be here with you today to talk about something that can make you feel fantastic every single day: your smile. A bright, happy smile can light up a room and make your friends feel welcome. It shows the world that you are feeling good on the inside. Taking care of our teeth and gums is a huge part of feeling confident and healthy. Now, let's chat about fresh breath. It is just as important as a sparkly smile. When your breath is fresh, you can speak with confidence. Bad breath can make us feel shy, but keeping it minty fresh is super easy. Your mouth is the gateway to the rest of you. Keeping it clean helps keep everything else healthy. Think of your teeth and gums as the guardians of your health. When they're strong and clean, you chew well and get the nutrients you need. Are you ready to learn a super simple, super effective secret for clean teeth and fresh breath? It is easy to remember, works even when you are busy, and will boost your confidence. Let's dive in. Are you ready to learn the big secret? It is called the 3-3-3 rule. It is like a magic code for a super healthy mouth. Easy to remember because it all revolves around 3. First, brush for 3 full minutes. Rushing leaves plaque behind. 3 minutes reaches every nook and cranny. Second, aim for 3 times a day. After breakfast, after lunch, and after your evening meal or before bed. Brushing 3 times clears away food for bacteria and helps stop acid attacks that cause cavities. Third, after brushing, wait 3 minutes before rinsing or eating. Fluoride in toothpaste strengthens enamel. If you rinse right away, you wash it off. Give it 3 minutes to soak in. Three minutes brushing 3 times a day, then wait 3 minutes before rinsing or eating. This simple guide can make a huge difference. Ready to put it into action? Let's walk through it step by step so you can use this hack today. First, your tools: a soft bristle toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste. Use a pea-sized amount, not a mountain. Set a timer, a clock, your phone, or a 3-minute song. Begin with the outer surfaces of your upper teeth, then the outer surfaces of your lower teeth. Now, the inner surfaces of your upper teeth, then the inner lowers. And do not forget the chewing surfaces. Use gentle circular motions and angle the bristles at about 45 degrees toward the gum line. Make sure you reach all the way to the back molars. Be gentle. Brushing too hard can hurt gums. Let the bristles do the work. Do not forget your tongue. It can trap bacteria and cause bad breath. After brushing teeth, gently clean your tongue from back to front. Some brushes have a built-in tongue cleaner. When your 3 minutes are up, spit. But wait 3 minutes before rinsing. Use the pause to comb your hair, prep clothes, or do a quick tidy. After 3 minutes, you are all done. Gently rinse if you want and go about your day. You brushed for 3 minutes, you are doing it 3 times a day, and you waited 3 minutes before rinsing. Pat yourself on the back. That is top-tier care for your teeth. Make it part of your routine for a lifetime of happy smiles. Follow the 3-3-3 rule and you will notice a cleaner feeling mouth right away. 3 full minutes gives time to remove sticky plaque thoroughly. Brushing 3 times a day, plus your tongue, reduces odor-causing bacteria and leaves breath fresh. Cavities are caused by acids from bacteria. Fluoride is your shield. Waiting 3 minutes lets it strengthen enamel. Careful brushing along the gum line removes plaque that irritates gums. Healthy gums are firm, pink, and do not bleed. Skipping care leads to persistent bad breath as bacteria and food debris build up, especially on the tongue and between teeth. Unremoved plaque hardens into tartar you cannot brush off. Only a dental professional can remove it. Acids erode enamel, creating cavities that can become painful if ignored. Plaque along gums causes gingivitis and, if neglected, can progress further. The 3-3-3 habit helps protect your smile. Stay consistent and enjoy the daily confidence of a clean, healthy mouth. Mornings. Brush after breakfast. Use the 3-minute wait to pack your bag and grab keys and phone. Midday. Keep a small travel kit and take a quick 3-minute brush after lunch. Evening. Make it part of your wind down so teeth stay protected overnight. Drink water throughout the day to wash away debris and keep your mouth hydrated. A tongue scraper can remove coating even more effectively after brushing. When you cannot brush, chew sugar-free gum with xylitol for about 20 minutes to stimulate cleansing saliva. Crunchy produce and vitamin C-rich fruits support fresher breath and a healthy mouth. Start today. After your next meal, brush for 3 minutes and wait 3 before rinsing. Notice how clean and smooth your teeth feel, and how fresh your mouth is. Share the 3-3-3 secret with friends and family. Keep brushing, keep smiling, and keep being brilliant. Cheers.